What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I go by the name of Champagne Trades, and I'm a full-time day trader that's been day trading for 7 years. Today, we'll be diving into one of the most crucial aspects of trading psychology. Specifically, we'll be discussing taking full accountability for your actions and saying goodbye to the victim mentality. Trust me, this mindset shift is going to help you up your trading game. So let's talk about it. All right, first off, let's talk about what taking accountability truly means when it comes to trading. Accountability is about owning every decision that you make in trading, right? Every single decision you make in the market, the wins, the losses, the break evens. It's about understanding that you are in full control of everything, not the market, not external factors, just you. Now, on the flip side, we got the victim mentality. And the victim mentality, that's when traders are blaming external factors for what happens to them in the market. Example, the market is rigged. My broker knows where my stop loss is. My mentor is not telling me all the information because he doesn't want me to win. I lost money because of unexpected news, even though we can see when the news is happening. Now, while external factors do happen in the market, I'm not going to act like they don't. Adopting that victim mentality, it strips you of all of your power and your control over your trading results. So let's just talk about some ways that we can shift from a victim mentality to taking full accountability for our actions. All right, so number one is self-reflection. Self-reflection, right? After every trade, you want to take a moment to reflect on what just happened. Ask yourself what went right, what went wrong, and see what you could have done differently. Every loss is not a loss, it's a lesson. So try to learn from your mistakes that you make in the market. Number two, you want to make sure you're journaling. Keep a detailed trading journal. Everybody trades different, everybody journals different, right? So you want to keep a detailed trading journal because you're going to be able to write down your thought process, your emotions, your strategies, your results, and you'll be able to look back at this and see what areas you grow in. When you're journaling the right way, it's going to help you realize the patterns in your behavior, the good and the bad. And from there, you're going to be able to actually improve on what it is you're doing, right? Like if you have a lot of bad habits and you're writing those habits down every day, eventually you're going to get tired of writing those bad habits down. You're going to feel silly looking at your journal and you're going to take more accountability. You're going to be more responsible when it comes to your decision making in the market because of this. What's next? Education. Continuously educate yourself. It's not enough to just learn one thing and then just try to run with that. No, you got to always be a student of the game. The more knowledgeable you are, the better decisions you're going to make in the market. So you want to make sure that you're staying updated with market trends. You want to stay updated with economic news. Read books, right? Strengthen your mentality, strengthen your mindset. Take courses. You can never have enough knowledge. I know it's a such thing as information overload, but if you take this knowledge and you actually apply it, you can then see what works for you and what doesn't work for you. What's next? Mindset training. Invest time into training your mindset. Your brain is the most important vessel in your body. So make sure that you're training it. The same way as if you were in fitness, you would be working on certain muscles. You want to work on your brain too. So invest time into that. Invest money into it if you need to. Practice mindfulness, meditation, any activity that helps you stay focused and calm under pressure. You want to make sure that you're constantly working on that. What's next? We got responsibility. Own up to your mistakes. If a trade goes wrong, own that shit. Don't blame the market, bro. Just take accountability and just have short-term memory. Losses are the cost of doing business. So if you lose a trade, analyze your decision making and just learn from it. Lock in. Y'all gotta remember, accountability is the glue that connects the commitment to the result. When you hold yourself accountable, you're literally committing to the continuous improvement and success in your trading journey. In trading, just like in life, you have two options. You can either be a victim of your circumstances or you can take control and you can shape your own destiny. You can make your dreams come true. The market is unpredictable. Let's just call a spade a spade. Like, the market be doing whatever the hell it want to do at times, but how you react to the market is completely up to you. So that's why you got to take full accountability. You can't be blaming all these external factors. That way you're going to empower yourself to learn, grow, and ultimately succeed. I appreciate y'all tapping in with me. If you found this video helpful, show your boy some love and give me a thumbs up. Share this video with somebody who needs to see it. And as always, subscribe for more trading tips. Accountability is your superpower. Use it to your advantage. That's all I got for this video. Until the next one, out. If y'all want to see the trades that I take every single day, follow me on Instagram at Champagne Trades. On my story, I'll post every single day my wins, my losses, psychology tips, lifestyle, all that good stuff. And if you're looking to join a community full of smart money traders, click the link in my description, join my Discord. Every single Wednesday, we have a psychology call where we just talk mindset. And on Sundays, we have a live class where we do Q&A, talk strategy, and we do market predictions for the upcoming week. And also we do some giveaways. Click the link in my description and I'll see you there.